here by this street, and his favorite food is all ice cream.
All ice cream? The way, the wall, the right, the left.
And away all flew.
Silly old, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a Gruffalo.
On went the mouse through the deep dark woods. Snake saw the mouse and the mouse looked good.
Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Going out of this deep below pile house.
He's very big giant on his neck, but no, I'm having a feast with a Gruffalo.
A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo? Why? Didn't you know? His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He has a soul over his back, yo.
Where are you meeting him?
Here by this lake, and his favorite food is scrambled snake.
Scramble snake? S-M-I-I! Goodbye, little mouse!
And away he slide.
Silly old snake, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a Gruffalo.
Who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaw? He has knobby knees and turned out toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back.
My favorite food!
The Gruffalo said.
You taste good on a slice of bread.
Good?
Said the mouse.
Don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me, and soon you'll see everyone is a friend.
Alright.
Said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter.
You go ahead and I'll go after.
So they started walking through the woods. They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said,
I hear a hiss in the leaves ahead.
It's Snake.
said the mouse.
Why, Snake? Hello.
Snake took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, Grumps, he said, goodbye, little mouse. And off he slid to his treetop house.
You see?
Said the mouse.
I told you so.
Amazing.
Said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said,
I hear a hoot in the leaves ahead.
It's old.
said the mouse.
Why, old? Hello.
Oh, took one look at the Gruffalo.
Oh dear!
He said,
Goodbye, little mouse!
and off he flew to his treetop house.
You see?
Said the mouse.
I told you so.
Astounding.
Said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said,
I hear feet in the path ahead.
It's Fox.
said the mouse.
White Fox. Hello.
Fox took one look at the Gruffalo.
Oh help!
He said,
Goodbye, little mouse!
and off he ran to his underground house.
Well, Gruffalo,